partnerships. Today, I'm really excited to share with you about Takaful. Have you even know if there's an insurance system that not only protects you but also follow Islamic principle? That's exactly what Takaful is all about. It's a unique concept based on helping each other, sharing responsibility, and working together for the good of the community. Let's explore what Takaful really means and how it works. First is Sharia compliant system of insurance. Takaful is a financial protection system that complies with Islamic Sharia principles. It was introduced as an alternative to conventional insurance, which contains elements prohibited in Islam, such as riba, gharar, and maisir. Second is based on mutual assistance, cooperation, and shared responsibility. The basic concept of Takaful is founded on the principle of mutual assistance, cooperation, and shared responsibility among all participants. Each participant agrees to protect and support one another against any risks. Third point is Takaful comes from Arabic word kafala, and the meaning is guarantee each other. And next is not based on commercial contract or profit like conventional insurance. Is unlike conventional insurance, which is based on commercial contract and profit seeking. Takaful is not intended to generate profit. The next is participants contribute to a pool to protect one another. In Takaful, participants contribute a sum of money into a share fund. This fund is then used to help any participant who suffer and lost, in line with the concept of mutual protection. And the sixth point is follow Islamic value and principle. Takaful operates according to Islamic value and principle, ensuring that all activity and investment comply with Sharia guidelines. And the last point is avoid riba, gharar, and maisir. One of the main priorities of Takaful is to avoid elements that are prohibited in Islam, such as riba is interest, gharar is excessive uncertainty, maisir is gambling. Next, I will share the development of the Takaful industry in Malaysia. In 1985, the first Takaful company in Malaysia was established is Syarikat Takaful Malaysia Berhad, STMB. The establishment of STMB marked the beginning of a financial protection system based on Sharia principle, free from element of riba, gharar, and maisir. STMB opened the door for the expansion of Takaful products, such as family Takaful, which provide protection to family based on Islamic principle. Additionally, STMB played a crucial role in introducing the concept of Takaful to the Malaysian public. Next chronology of Takaful industry development. MNI Takaful Sdn Bhd. MNI Takaful Sdn Bhd was established in 1993 after the founding of STMB. As a major player in the Takaful market, MNI stands for Malaysian National Insurance, which known at that time as a conventional insurance company. In the following years, MNI merged with Maybank Fortis Holding, and now we call it as Etiqa Takaful, which has since grown to become one of the largest Takaful providers in Malaysia. Etiqa Takaful was established before Takaful Ikhlas Sdn Bhd, TISB, which later introduced more Takaful product options to the market. TISB continued to expand the variety of Takaful product available, offering a wide range of choice to meet the financial protection need of the Malaysian public. As in the chronology, the demand for the Takaful industry is getting better and increasing. More Takaful companies will be established and the demand for the industry keep increasing. As a result, Bank Negara Malaysia (BNM) issued 4 new Takaful leasing. The companies that receive this new leasing include is Hang Leong Bank, Milia Asia Japan, Hang Leong Assurance, for Prudential Holding Limits. Foreign companies were only allowed to own up to 49% equity in companies applying for new Takaful leasing in Malaysia. This was also a strategic move to open opportunities for foreign investors to participate in Malaysian Takaful industry. Lastly, the consortiums involved several consortiums were involved in the investment and development of Takaful companies in Malaysia. Among them are First, HSBC Insurance Asia Pacific Holdings Limited. HSBC stands for the Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation, originally from the United Kingdom. Second, Journey Asia Berhad, a Malaysian-based investment and insurance company that was also listed on Bursa Malaysia. Third, MAA Holdings Berhad. 4, National Holding Bank. 5, Solidarity CO Berhad.
Hi everyone, my name is Nur Humaira binti Khalid. My matric number 01DIF23F2003. Today I'm going to talk about something really interesting, that is Takaful, the Islamic alternative to conventional insurance. So, what is Takaful exactly? Well, it's all about mutual cooperation and shared responsibility. In simple terms, it's a way for people to come together and protect each other financially, but in a way that aligns with Islamic principles too. So, there are 6 key concepts you should know. Let's break them together. First is tabarruk. That means donation. Everyone contributes money into a fund, not as a payment for coverage, but as a sincere donation to help others. It's about giving, not buying protection. Second, ta'awud, mutual assistance. When someone in the group faces a loss, the fund is used to support them. It's a system built on care and solidarity. Third, risk sharing, not risk transfer. In a conventional insurance, you pay a company to take on your risk, but with Takaful, everyone share the risk together. No one is profiting of your misfortune. It's a collective safety net. Fourth, Sharia compliance. Takaful avoid things that are not allowed in Islam, like riba, that is interest, gharar, that is excessive uncertainty, and maisir, that is gambling. That's what makes it ethical and faith aligned. Okay, fifth, surplus distribution. If there's money left in the fund after all claims and costs are covered, it doesn't just disappear. It's a fairly distributed back to the participants. Lastly, the Takaful operator. This is the company that manages the fund. They might operate under the wakalah model, where they earn a fee, or the mudarabah model, where they share profits, or a hybrid of both. So, in a nutshell, Takaful isn't just about insurance, it's about community, trust, ethics, and fairness. It's a system that puts people over profit. Alright, let's talk about something that is important. The difference between Takaful and conventional insurance. They both are meant to give you financial protection, but the way they work, totally different, especially when you look at it from an Islamic perspective. So, first is a risk sharing versus profit making. So, here's the deal. Takaful is all about sharing the risk. Everyone puts money into a fund to help each other out. But in conventional insurance, it's a business. The company takes your money, takes on the risk, and aim to make a profit out of it. Second, what it's built on. Takaful is built on values like cooperation and donation. That's what we call tabarruk. In a contrast, conventional insurance is just a contract. You pay your premium, and that money belongs to the company. So third, what happened to extra money? Now here's something cool. If there's extra money left in the Takaful fund, after everything pays, it can actually go back to the participants. In regular insurance, that extra money is profit. The company keeps it. Fourth, is it ethical? Takaful is designed to avoid things that aren't allowed in Islam, like riba, gharar, maisir. Conventional insurance, it might include all that, and even invest in stuff that's not halal. Lastly, with Takaful, there's a Sharia board making sure everything stays in line with Islamic teaching. Conventional insurance doesn't have that kind of oversight. So, bottom line, Takaful isn't just about protection, it's about community values and doing things the right way. Conventional insurance is more profit focused, and it might not line up with what's halal.
Next, I'm going to talk about Takaful operators in Malaysia. The first one is AIA Public Takaful Berhad. AIA Public Takaful is a partnership between AIA Group and Public Bank Berhad. It offers a wide range of family Takaful solutions that caters to individuals and families' protection and savings needs. Next one is Etiqa Takaful. Etiqa Takaful is a subsidiary of Maybank Group, one of Malaysia's largest banking groups. Etiqa offers both general and family Takaful products and is known for its innovative and user-friendly services. Now, we move to the FWD Takaful. This Takaful operator is a relatively new player in the Malaysian Takaful industry but brings a fresh and modern approach. It focuses on simplifying Takaful through digital innovation, offering easy-to-understand and accessible products. FWD emphasizes customer experience, aiming to make Takaful more appealing to younger generations. Now, we move to the Prudential BSN Takaful Berhad. These Takaful operators formed through a partnership between Prudential and Bank Simpanan Nasional BSN. This operator has a strong outreach, especially among Malaysians in the semi-urban and rural areas. Next is the Great Eastern Takaful Berhad. This is a joint venture between Great Eastern Holdings and the Malaysian Cooperative Koperasi Angkatan Tentera. Great Eastern Takaful offers a wide range of family Takaful plans including medical, education and retirement protection. It leverages Great Eastern's insurance expertise while staying committed to Sharia principles. Lastly, Syarikat Takaful Malaysia Berhad. It is one of the oldest and most established Takaful operators in Malaysia. It provides both family and general Takaful and no-claim cashback feature. With a large customer base and strong market reputation, it continues to lead the Takaful industry in terms of innovation and customer satisfaction. Takaful is divided into two types. First, general Takaful. This type of Takaful gives protection for things like cars, houses, or businesses. It is a short-term plan, usually for 1 year or less. If something bad happens, like an accident or damage, the Takaful fund will help to cover the cost. It's based on the idea of helping each other. Next, we have Family Takaful. This is a long-term plan that gives financial protection to the participant and their family. It helps in case of serious problems like health, disability, or critical illness. The family will receive money to help them continue their life. So in short, general Takaful is for protecting things and family Takaful is for protecting people. Each of Family Takaful provides a widely range of plans, such as for Family Takaful, they provides education plan, marriage plan, universal Takaful, term life Takaful, whole life Takaful, and endowment Takaful. While general Takaful provides Takafuls like motor Takaful, fire Takaful, and burglary Takaful.
Next, I will explain the purpose of Takaful. First, compliance with Sharia principle. Conventional insurance often involves riba, interest, gharar, excessive uncertainty, and maisir, gambling, all of which are prohibited in Islam. Second, promote social solidarity and welfare. Takaful is based on the idea of helping others in difficulty, which strengthens community ties and support the Islamic goal of social justice.
So I will continue about the importance of Takaful. For the third one is financial protection. Takaful provide financial protection to participants when unexpected event happen, such as this accident or critical illness. In the situation, the affected participant or the family will receive compensation from the Takaful fund. This help reduce the financial burden and give peace of mind during the difficult times. For example, imagine a family main breadwinner pass away unexpectedly. With Takaful, the family receive financial support to continue their daily life. So this is the essence of financial protection. So for the last one is savings and investment. Takaful is not only about protection, but it also helps participants save money and grow their wealth over time. In family Takaful plans, part of your contribution is set aside as saving and invested in Sharia compliant investment. This makes it a good choice for long-term financial planning, like saving for children education or retirement. For example, through Takaful, you're not just protected, but you're are also building saving for future goals in a way that's ethical and Sharia compliance. Now, I would like to share about the Operation General Takaful in Mudarabah model, which is a financial protection system that complies with Sharia principle and is based on cooperation and profit sharing. The first one is participant contribution. Firstly, the system begins with the participants. There are individuals or companies seeking protection. They contribute to the Takaful fund with the intention of helping one another. For example, if someone takes up a Takaful plan to protect his car, he contributes 150 ringgit monthly to the fund. The second one is the Takaful fund. All participants' contribution are pulled into the Takaful fund. This fund is used for several key purposes, including paying claims to participants who suffer a loss or damage, paying for Takaful to manage large-scale risks, setting aside reserve for future liabilities, and covering management is expensive. For example, if someone is involved in an accident, he can file a claim from this fund to repair his vehicle. Third is surplus. After deducting all expenses such as claim and operational costs, any remaining balance in the fund is referred to as a surplus. This surplus may be distributed to eligible participants depending on the agreed term. So the next one is fund investment. The fund is not left idle. It is invested by the Takaful operator in Sharia compliant investment. This is done under a Mudarabah contract, where profit are shared between participants and the operator. And the last one is profit sharing. The returns from this investment are considered profit. These profits are shared between the participant and the Takaful operator according to a pre-agreed ratio. So the conclusion is Takaful is not only offer protection but also promote mutual help, fairness, and the sharing of risks and rewards. It benefits all parties. Participants receive protection, potential surplus, and investment profit, while the operator manage the fund ethically and transparently.
In conclusion, Takaful is not just an alternative to conventional insurance. It is a reflection of Islamic values such as mutual support, shared responsibility, and ethical financial practice. By aligning with Sharia principles and promoting social welfare, Takaful plays a vital role in building a just, inclusive, and resilient Islamic financial system. As the demand for ethical financial solution grows, Takaful continues to offer a strong faith-based approach to risk management for Muslims around the world. Thank you.